friends, so today I'm going to introduce you to this very useful tailoring accessory, and it's called a pin cushion. Okay, so this pin cushion has a wristband that helps you to secure this accessory on your wrists. So I'm going to wear this pin cushion and show you how it is used. So just take note that this button here is just for decoration. Okay, so you wear it this way, and of course this comes useful when you want to cut your fabric, and you need to use pins to secure two or more pieces of fabrics together. Okay, so instead of picking directly from this disc, for instance, you could just take out the pins from the disc and put it on your wrists. So you can take out as many as you want and secure it on the pin cushion. So I think this should be just enough. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to pick up the fabric you want to secure and just take gently from the pin cushion, and that's it. Okay, so what this does is that it eases you the stress of picking pins directly from the disc. With this, you're it's very comfortable to wear on your wrist, very comfortable, and you can be rest assured that the pin will not poke your wrist because there is a hard material underneath that protects your wrist from the pin. Thank you for watching, and see you